Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by jumping straight into Studio. Open your Obby place and ensure scripting is enabled. Create a server script service script to attach a leader stats folder to each player. This is how Roblox shows stats on the scoreboard. Once done, add int value or number value objects named for each stat you want visible. You do this now because leader stats must exist before players join and before you update values. This guarantees the scoreboard shows accurate values as gameplay events change them. Next, connect in-game events to the leader stats values so scores change in real time. For example, when a player hits a finish pad, increment their points value and update time on completion. Then implement data store service to save and load scores using a consistent key per user. This makes progress persistent across sessions. Also, debounce rapid triggers and validate deltas server-side to prevent cheating or negative values. These middle steps ensure reliable, secure score tracking as players progress. Finally, decide how players see the leaderboard. Use Roblox's built-in leaderboard or craft a custom GUI that requests sorted top scores from the server. On player join, load stored stats into leader stats. On leave or periodic intervals, save them back. Once complete, test multiple players to confirm sorting and updates. If things go wrong, focus on one key troubleshooting tip. Inspect data store responses and race conditions. Retry saving on transient errors and ensure you aren't
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.